one of the original Hillbilly Arm Drop Drag t-shirts on right here, guys. Ford Saleen Mustang, and he's got a Hillbilly Arm Drop Drag sticker right there, decal. I'd like to remind you that all my decals have aluminum rods made by GRP. They all have ARP rod bolts on all my decals. All my pistons are bought from Wiseco.
What about some of them tools you use?
Wildy pliers is what I use, the 7G.
That's right.
That plier was custom built for me. Carried them for over 30 years. Had one of the nicest presentations ever made by them last night.